Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have had a wonderful mail day today. I've ordered things and they all seem to arrive today, which was fabulous. And I thought I was recording just a second ago and I didn't realize until I showed the first freebie stickers that I wasn't. So let me rewind my head and try to start again. So this shop is Pelhauz Planner on Etsy, and the woman's name that runs the shop is Zay, and I certainly hope I am saying her name and shop correctly, but I will try to remember to link everything below. So if I've forgotten, please remind me. But this is Pelhauz Planner, and this is not my first purchase from her, and it will not be my last purchase from her. She has amazing stickers, and it seems like she's adding stickers every day. I know she's probably not, but it seems like every time I go to look, there's new things. And when my friend Tracy was here, she was a part of a planner extravaganza sale. Well, Tracy wasn't. Zay was. The Pelhauz Planner was. And we both made a purchase with that. And this is from that sale. So, planner extravaganza. I think you have to follow them on Etsy to get, or on Instagram to get notice of their discounts. But she had actually told me about her discount in a note when she communicated with me. She's a wonderful communicator, and I highly recommend her shop. You guys know that I feature almost every shop that I purchase from. Actually, I think I feature every one. And I don't always repurchase, and for whatever reason, sometimes it's just because I just haven't found anything else that I needed from that shop or whatever. Sometimes it's because they took forever to ship or whatever. But I do try to tell you guys my honest opinion of the stickers. And honestly, I can't think of any that I haven't enjoyed. The stickers are beautiful. There have been some that aren't as cut as others, but I try to tell you guys all of that stuff when I use them. I don't always know that when I'm doing the unboxing, but I do try to tell you when I use them. But anyway, my point is that I have had wonderful communication with this shop. She was very sweet to say I received your order, and then when she shipped her order, everything was always communicated. And then so when I placed this last order that I placed, I told her that I had featured her on my YouTube channel. I had just hit 10,000 subscribers, and I told her that I'd featured her on that channel, and she was so excited, and it was so sweet that she knew that she was featured, and it just made her feel really good. So I hope that you guys will check her out, and please tell her that I sent you, because that is pretty cool. I need a drink. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what I got. So this is how far I got the first time. This was the exclusive freebie from the Planner Extravaganza, and look how cute that is. I love all of the peeps and the little eggs, and I'm getting messages, so I'm super cute. And I don't know if this is a better way to do these or not, but some of these you've probably already seen, because I know that this is a duplicate of one that I'd already gotten, but I thought it was really cute. And I got 2 of those. And if you want to know why I got these, I will tell you, because this is me, Tracy, and Janie. I thought that was just so cute, and because I have one, I thought I'd get one for each of them, and hopefully I will mail them to them soon. I am awful about mailing things, but girls, these should be coming to you. And then I thought this one was really cute. The little girl with her yellow shirt and her lemons. Oh, it's not lemons, it's flowers. But it's adorable. So I got that one. And these they're small. Like, you get like 2 full boxes and then a few functionals. And I got 2 of those because I'm sharing with my daughter. And I think that I'm using these for my traveler's notebook. Look at how, I'm holding this upside down. Look at how cute those are. The little ballerina bunny upside down, and then the balloon bunny. And this one has ballerina stickers. Oh my word. I think I should have gotten 2 of those, but I didn't. I'm going to put these in a separate, okay. This I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in my pile. I have a Katie pile and a friend's pile. And then this one with the cute library books and her reading the book. It just is adorable. I won't do this angle very frequently, It's not my favorite. I like it when you guys are looking down at the stickers a little bit more, but I already had everything set up this way. Cute llama with the flower boxes. So cute. So all of them seem to be about the same. You get the full box that has the character on it or whatever, and then a cute, like, filled out full box, and then a flag and planner sticker, mail, and a planner and Happy Mail and nail polish and a quarter box and then a bill due box. So it's really cute. And this one's kind of funny. I thought that was kind of cute. And oh my goodness, it's a hedgehog. So cute. Had to get that one, of course. Here's another llama one. And some yarn. And those are all stitch markers, which you yarnies will know. This is actually crochet. Those are crochet needles, but you know, I'll have to learn. I thought I got 2 of these. One for my daughter because she was a dancer. Is, I don't know. And then I thought this was just adorable with all the different coffees. And I actually have something like that on my screensaver for my phone. And then I have this one, also with the coffees. And her shipping is really quick too. I think I may have mentioned that. I'm not sure if I mentioned it the first time or the second time, so I'll tell you this time. Her shipping is amazing. And this llama, which I thought was just too cute with all the flowers on it, on her hair. I thought this was really cute too, especially if there's something that I need to say like loudly, like sticker sale coming up, or you know, whatever I need to make note of in my planner. I thought that would be really cute. Stay strong. And then I just love all these pin-up-y kind of girls. I just think they're so cute. And then I have 2 of these. One, again, is for my daughter. The moon is awesome. Oh, and they have a little bow down here too, like a divider. Yeah, it looks like they all have that. I think I just missed that the first time. Oops. Missed telling you. And then I thought this was really cute for like just Sunday or the weekend. Doesn't that look fabulous? Just sitting in bed with coffee and donuts and reading a book. Oh, yes, please. So that is everything I got from her, and she is just too cute. So I am excited to be able to share my goodies, and that is that. So check her out, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.